Hello, this is Zacchaeus Nifong. I'm with OD Hosting, Orthodox Daily Web Design Solutions. I'm just going to talk to you today about how to transfer a domain name from an existing domain registrar to the OD hosting and registration process. So the first thing you want to do is go to cheapdomainhosting-od.com. Okay, once you get there, you're going to click on the middle of the screen that says already own a domain, because again we're talking about a transfer rather than actual purchasing a new one. And here in the middle under the hyperlink, hit transfer now. I'm going to use christminster.org as an example. Alright, let's find the .org. Okay, there it is. Click go. It says available for transfer. Alright, I'm going to hit next. Okay, at this point you choose the year, however many years you want to register it, certified or uncertified. Certified is for perhaps people that are in celebrities, famous people, things like that. Uncertified is okay too, just depends on what your needs are. Keep the existing name servers is typically the best thing to do. That's the first radio button. Click next. This is privacy. There's a group called Whois. It's a Whois database. It's like a large phone book for all the domain names across the world. You can find out what people's first names, last names, phone numbers, and addresses are by going into the Whois database if it's not private. So if you don't like that, then you want to select the private registration. If you don't really care, then go ahead and keep it as it is right now and click next, because you're using the standard edition already. Activate your domain. This is email. You get one free email address with each domain name that you have. So for example, info@christminster.org is a free email address with 1 GB of storage for the domain name. Then you get free email addresses with hosting as well, and I'm going to explain that. Now here below underneath you're going to say add a hosting plan, which is $3.99 a month for the economy, which is great because that's all you need if you just have one website, is the economy. So you'd click that, hit next. Alright, now you just want to review your purchase. $1.99 is actually what you're being charged for the domain now, because you've gotten a hosting package, so we give you a discount on the domain name since you bought hosting. And if the hosting is for a year, it's $47.88. Your total is $50.05, which is awesome. So you would hit continue to check out, and you are a new customer. You don't have any login details now, so you would say you would give your first name, address, work phone, make sure all this matches up with your credit card information. And you would also want to make a note of your login ID. Write this down, also the password with whatever you choose, as well as your password hint and your call-in pin. If you need information about what is a call-in pin, just mouse over the I and it gives you the info. And then you would click continue to check out. It would process your order, and then at this point you would go through kind of a step-by-step process on how, in other words, there's security keys that you have for transferring the domain name, but all that will not take place until you actually purchase the full transfer and hosting package from OD. So that is how you purchase and transfer a domain name into OD hosting, Orthodox Daily Hosting, and also how you set up a hosting plan. Alright, thank you.